Hello friends, today our topic is the equivalent rational numbers. That means we will learn how to find the equivalent rational numbers by multiplication and the operation, that is division. So at first we are proceeding with the topic, that is equivalent rational numbers by multiplication. Suppose A by B is a rational number and M is a non-zero integer, then A cross M upon B cross M is a rational number that is equivalent to A by B. Example, the rational numbers 12 upon 15, 20 upon 25, minus 28 upon minus 35, minus 48 upon minus 60 are equivalent to the rational number 4 by 5. How? Now check the first one, that is 12 by 15. Now 12 by 15 can be written as 4 into 3 and 5 into 3. So that 3 is the M. Which one is the non-zero integer? So we can divide the 3 here. So we are getting the result as 4 by 5. Suppose the third one, minus 28 upon minus 35. Let's check once again. Minus 28 upon minus 35. So that can be written in the way minus 7 into 4, and minus 35 can be written as minus 7 into 5. So that minus 7 is a non-zero integer. So we can divide the minus 7 from both numerator and denominator, and we are getting the result as 4 by 5. In the case of 20 by 25, the M was 5. And in the case of minus 48 upon minus 60, that M was minus 12. So we know that if we multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same positive integer, the value of the fraction does not change. Suppose the example, the fractions 3 by 7 and 21 by 49 are equal, because the numerator and the denominator of 21 by 49 can be obtained by multiplying each of the numerator and denominator of 3 by 7 by 7. That means 3 into 7 upon 7 into 7 is practically giving us the result as 21 upon 49. Let's check another example, minus 3 upon 4. Now if we multiply both the numerator and denominator with minus 1, that means we are getting 3 upon minus 4, because minus 3 into minus 1, that is plus 3, and 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. So that one is equal to same for minus 3 upon 4. Minus 3 upon 4, that can also be written in the way when we are multiplying both the numerator and denominator with 2. So that means the numerator is now minus 6 by 8 and the denominator is 8, and that one is equal to minus 3 upon 4. Same as if we multiply both the numerator and denominator with minus 2, we are getting the same equivalent fraction for minus 3 by 4 as 6 by minus 8, and so on. Therefore minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 3 into minus 1 upon 4 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3 into 2 upon 4 into 2 is equal to minus 3 into minus 2 upon 4 into minus 2, and so on. We have to remember, if the denominator of a rational number is a negative integer, once again the denominator of any rational number is a negative integer, then by using the above property we can make it positive by multiplying its numerator and denominator by 1. Suppose 5 upon minus 7. Here the numerator is negative. So we are multiplying both the numerator and denominator with minus 1. Hence we are getting 5 into minus 1 as minus 5 and minus 7 into minus 1 is equal to 7. So here that is same equivalent with 5 upon minus 7, but here the numerator is negative but the denominator is positive. So equivalent rational numbers by the division. If a by b is a rational number and m is a common divisor of a and b, then a divide m upon b divide m is a rational number that is also equivalent to a by b. Suppose rational numbers minus 48 upon minus 60, minus 28 upon minus 35, 20 upon 25, 12 upon 15, all are equivalent to the rational numbers 4 by 5. So that's here 12 by 15. So we may write it as 4 into 3 upon 5 into 3. So we can divide it by 3. So we are getting the result as 4 by 5. Same as for first one, minus 48 upon minus 60, the m is minus 12. For that one, the m is minus 7. That means for minus 28 upon minus 35. For 20 upon 25, the m is here, that is 5. Already, if we divide the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by a common divisor, then the value of the fraction does not change. Suppose for example 48 upon 64. Then if we divide the 48 with 16 and 64 with the same value, that is 16, we are getting the fraction or the rational number, that is 3 by 4. Similarly, we have minus 75 upon 100. Then we are dividing minus 75 the numerator with the 5 and 100 also with 5. So we are getting the result as minus 15 upon 20. And once again, if we divide the minus 15, that is numerator, with the 5 value and the denominator 20 with the value 5, then we are getting the rational number, that is minus 3 upon 4. And suppose another one, 42 upon minus 56. Then we divide the numerator 42 with the value 2 and the denominator minus 56 with the denominator value dividing with the value 2. Then we are getting the rational number, that is 21 upon minus 28. Now once again we are dividing the numerator 21 with the value, that is minus 7, and the denominator minus 28 with the same value, that is minus 7. So we are getting the rational number, that is minus 3 by 4, and that is obvious a negative rational number. So some solved example like find the two rational numbers equivalent to 3 by 7. Here we are using the multiplication. That means at that moment we are multiplying the value 4 with the numerator and denominator 3 and 7 respectively. So we are getting the value as 12 by 28. That is equivalent to 3 by 7. Same as suppose another one, we are multiplying the numerator 3 with the value 11 and the denominator 7 with the value 11, that means same. So then we are getting the rational number 33 upon 77, which is same as 3 by 7, or we may say 33 upon 77 is equivalent with the rational number 12 by 28. Therefore the two rational numbers equivalent to 3 by 7 are 12 by 28 and 33 upon 77. Now determine the smallest equivalent rational number of 210 upon 462. Here we will use the method of division. So 210, at that moment we are dividing it with the number, that is 2, and same for the denominator, that means we are dividing it by 2. So we are getting 105 upon 231. Now once again 105 can be divided by 3 with, and the denominator 231 once again can be divided by the same value, that is 3. So after dividing the numerator and denominator with the value 3, we are getting the result of the rational number, that is 35 upon 77. Once again, the 35 and 77 have the common divisor, that is 7. So we are dividing the numerator 35 with the value 7 and the denominator 77 with the same value, that is 7. So we are getting the rational number, that is 5 by 11. Now the numerator 5 and the denominator 11 have no common divisor because both the numbers or both the integers are prime. So therefore we can say the least equivalent rational number of 210 upon 462 is 5 by 11. Suppose the next problem, write each of the following rational numbers with positive denominator. Just check here, all the rational numbers are negative and the denominators are negative. So in order to express a rational number with the positive denominator, we multiply its numerator and the denominator by minus 1. So for 3 upon minus 7, we are multiplying the numerator and denominator both with minus 1. So after that we are getting 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Here the numerator is negative but the denominator minus 7 into minus 1, that is positive. For the next rational number, that is 11 upon minus 28. Once again we are multiplying both the numerator 11 and minus 28 with the value, that is minus 1, and we are getting the rational number, that is minus 11 upon 28, where the denominator 28 is positive and the numerator is negative. And finally for the minus 19 upon minus 13, here also the same process, that means we are multiplying the numerator minus 19 with minus 1 and the denominator minus 13 with minus 1. So we are getting the result as 19 by 13, where both the numerator and denominator are of same sign, that is positive. Let's the next problem. Here we have to express the minus 3 upon 7 as a rational number with numerator, that is minus 15, and another one, that is numerator 21. So for the first one, that is minus 3, when that is our numerator for the rational number. So in order to minus 3 as a rational number with numerator minus 5, so we have to multiply it with the value, that is 5, and we can find out using minus 15 divided by minus 3, that is 5. So multiplying the numerator and denominator of minus 3 by 7 by 5, we have minus 3 upon 7, that is minus 3 into 5 upon 7 into 5, and that we are getting minus 15 upon 35. Thus the required rational number when the numerator is minus 15 is minus 15 upon 35. Now we have to find the result for the same rational number, that is minus 3 upon 7, and we are transforming the rational the numerator minus 3 into 21. So in order to express minus 3 by 7 as a rational number with numerator 21, we first find a number which when multiplied with minus 3 give us 21, and clearly we can find it by 21 divided by minus 3, and that is minus 7. So we are multiplying the numerator and denominator both with minus 3 by 7 by 5 minus 7. So we get minus 3 upon 7 is equal to minus 3 into minus 7 upon 7 into minus 7, and we are getting the result as 21 upon minus 49.